Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable books automatic downloads for purchases from other devices on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Books. So tap on Books. Next, we go down to the Automatic Downloads section and then tap on Purchases from other devices. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. And that's it. So once it is switched on, you can have the device automatically downloads new purchases that is made on other devices. So this includes free download as well. After, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.